Sarthak Amit Jani. I am studying in Podar International School, Yavatmal. Today I am going to give a short speech on Mahatma Gandhi, his life and times. The book preferred by me to create this speech. So, Mahatma Gandhi was relevant. Mahatma Gandhi was relevant in pre-independence era, and he was relevant in post-independence era as well. His personality was a magical personality. His personality was a magical personality. Therefore, he could make India free from the shackles of British rule by the unique weapon Satyagraha community to this subject. I would say the problems faced by India today are: first is organized hatred, second is organized injustice, third is organized ignorance, and fourth is organized dishonesty. Yes, these problems can be solved by the important and the main path paved by Mahatma Gandhi. This untouchability, the poaching of lower caste people, uh, to keep or to allow the downtraders, farmers, laborers to stay shelterless, hungry, is an example of organized injustice. Similarly, to deploy force, violence on the weaker section, minorities, have-nots, is an example of organized hatred. According to Mahatma Gandhi, there are several scenes which are obstacled in the smooth progress and development of the world. He has listed those scenes in 1925 in the Young India movement. Yes, in the Young India movement, those are knowledge without character, science without humanity, worship without sacrifice, and worship without sacrifice, and property without hard work. Yes, this was propagated in the Young India movement in 1925. He would added more two scenes to this list, that are, first is service without clean means, and regionality without honesty. Yes, these vices have polluted the mind and hearts to this world and to the lives of the world today. Mahatma Gandhi teaches us to combat these sins with the help of truth, morality. This is Satyagraha, Ahimsa, means non-violence, non-cooperation, and love for all. At last, I would say two lines made by me. He was ideal and idle yesterday and today, and will remain for tomorrow.